Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that is far more than just a trendy phrase. We're exploring creative problem solving, a truly vital skill for navigating our modern world. It's about equipping yourselves with the tools to tackle any challenge that comes your way. This isn't just about finding answers, it's about approaching every problem with fresh eyes and an open mind. It's about seeing possibilities where others might only see obstacles. This skill empowers you to look beyond the obvious and discover new pathways. Creative problem solving is the engine that generates truly innovative solutions. It's the spark that ignites breakthroughs in every field imaginable. When you master this, you move from simply reacting to actively shaping your environment. It's about unlocking your imagination to achieve the outcomes you desire most. Your imagination is a powerful resource, and creative problem solving shows you how to harness it effectively. It transforms abstract ideas into tangible results. This approach moves us far beyond rote memorization and established routines. While foundational knowledge is crucial, true progress often comes from questioning the status quo. It encourages you to challenge assumptions and explore new territories. It actively encourages thinking outside the box, a phrase you've likely heard many times. But what does it truly mean? It means breaking free from conventional thought patterns and daring to be different. It's about finding unique angles and perspectives. Ultimately, creative problem solving embraces unconventional approaches. It celebrates originality and encourages you to trust your instincts. This skill is your secret weapon for standing out and making a real impact. Creative problem solving isn't a chaotic free-for-all, it's a structured, multi-stage process. Understanding these stages helps you navigate complex challenges with clarity and purpose. Let's break down each crucial step. The first and arguably most critical step is problem definition. You must clearly identify and truly understand the challenge you face. A well-defined problem is already half solved. This stage involves asking the right questions, not just any questions. Dig deep to uncover the root causes and underlying issues. What exactly are we trying to achieve, and why is it important? It also requires gathering relevant information from all available sources. Data, observations, and diverse perspectives are your allies here. The more you know, the clearer the picture becomes. Defining the problem also means defining its scope. What are the boundaries of this challenge? What aspects are within our control, and what are not? This helps prevent scope creep and keeps your efforts focused. Once you understand the problem, it's time for the exciting idea generation phase. This is where the brainstorming truly begins, and no idea is too wild or too strange. This is a judgment-free zone. Here, you explore a wide range of potential solutions without immediate evaluation. The goal is quantity over quality at this stage. Let your mind wander freely and capture every thought. This is where your imagination truly takes flight, unburdened by practical constraints for a moment. Allow yourself to dream big and consider possibilities that seem impossible. Innovation often starts with a what if. It's crucial to encourage suspending judgment during this phase. Don't critique ideas as they emerge, either your own or others. Criticism can stifle creativity and shut down valuable contributions. Embrace wild, even seemingly impractical, ideas. Sometimes, a crazy idea can spark a more feasible, brilliant one. These unconventional thoughts can open up entirely new avenues of exploration. There are many powerful techniques to boost idea generation. Brainstorming, where you rapidly list ideas, is a classic. Mind mapping helps visualize connections between concepts, expanding your thinking. The Scamper method encourages you to substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse elements of existing solutions, pushing you to innovate. After generating a wealth of ideas, the next step is idea selection and evaluation. This is where critical thinking comes into play, sifting through the possibilities. You move from expansive thinking to focused analysis. You'll critically assess the generated ideas against specific criteria. This isn't about finding fault, but about understanding potential. Which ideas hold the most promise for success? Consider factors like feasibility. Can this idea actually be implemented with the resources we have? Is it realistic given the constraints? Practicality is key to moving forward. Evaluate the practicality and potential impact of each idea. How much effort will it require, and what kind of results can we expect? Will it truly solve the defined problem effectively? This stage often involves prioritizing ideas based on their potential and feasibility. You might rank them, group them, or use a matrix to compare them systematically. Focus your energy on the most promising paths. Identify potential risks and benefits associated with each solution. What could go wrong, and what are the upsides? A thorough risk assessment helps you prepare for challenges and make informed decisions. Finally, you refine the most promising solutions. This might involve combining elements from different ideas or tweaking an existing one. The goal is to strengthen and optimize your chosen path. With a refined solution in hand, the next stage is implementation and evaluation. This is where your chosen solution is put into action. It's time to move from planning to doing. Its effectiveness is carefully monitored as it unfolds. You need to track progress and observe the real-world impact of your solution. Are things working as expected, or are adjustments needed? This is an iterative process, allowing for adjustments along the way. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Be prepared to learn from what happens and make necessary changes. Flexibility is a huge asset here. This continuous monitoring ensures improvements and optimization of the solution over time. Creative problem solving doesn't end when the solution is launched, it continues as you refine and enhance it. It's a cycle of action, observation, and adaptation. Embracing creative problem solving offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond just finding answers. It fundamentally changes how you interact with the world and your own potential. Let's explore some of these powerful advantages. First, it fosters innovation by consistently encouraging novel solutions. When you actively seek new ways to do things, you naturally stumble upon groundbreaking ideas. This mindset is the bedrock of progress in any field. Second, it significantly enhances critical thinking by analyzing problems from multiple angles. You learn to dissect complex situations, question assumptions, and evaluate information more thoroughly. This deep analysis leads to more robust and well-considered decisions. Third, creative problem-solving boosts your adaptability, preparing you to navigate unexpected challenges. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to pivot and adjust is invaluable. You become resilient and resourceful, ready for anything. Finally, it cultivates collaboration through diverse perspectives and teamwork. When everyone is encouraged to contribute unique ideas, the collective intelligence of a group soars. It fosters an environment where different viewpoints are valued and integrated. The good news is that creative problem solving isn't an innate talent reserved for a select few. It's a skill that can be cultivated and strengthened with practice. It requires a willingness to embrace experimentation and step outside your comfort zone. This involves actively engaging in imagination-stimulating activities. Reading widely, writing creatively, and pursuing artistic endeavors like painting or music can all expand your mental horizons. These activities train your brain to think differently and make new connections. It also develops a growth mindset, which is crucial for any form of learning. Believe that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset transforms challenges into opportunities for growth. Crucially, it embraces failure as a learning opportunity, not a dead end. Every attempt, successful or not, provides valuable insights. See mistakes as data points that guide you toward better solutions. Actively seek out new experiences and perspectives. Travel, meet new people, learn about different cultures, or simply try a new hobby. Exposure to novelty broadens your understanding and fuels your creativity. Consciously practicing these techniques in your daily life is key. Start with small problems, apply the stages, and reflect on your process. The more you practice, the more natural and effective creative problem solving becomes. In conclusion, creative problem solving is more than just a skill, it's a mindset, a way of approaching life. It unlocks your innate creative potential, which resides within each and every one of you. You have more imagination than you realize. By mastering this process, you become more effective problem solvers in all aspects of life. From academic challenges to personal dilemmas, you'll have a powerful framework to guide you. This skill empowers you in every domain. It empowers individuals to thrive, not just survive, in an increasingly complex world. You move from being a passive observer to an active participant, shaping your own destiny. This is about taking control and making a difference. In a world demanding constant innovation and adaptability, creative problem solving is absolutely essential. It's the skill that will set you apart, open doors, and allow you to contribute meaningfully. Embrace it, practice it, and watch your world transform.